How much time do you spend using a cutting board every day? Even if it's only for a short while, it really adds up over time. You deserve to use a cutting board that you feel good about, one that looks nice, is easy to chop on, and is the right size for the task at hand. When choosing a cutting board, there are a lot of factors to consider. It may seem like a small thing, but if you don't use it properly, a cutting board can be one of the most bacteria-ridden items in your kitchen. Number 5. John Boo's Maple Classic Reversible Wood and Grain Chopping Block 20x15x2.25. Featuring end grain construction, the John Boo's Maple Classic Reversible Butcher Block is reversible, charming, and beautiful. It's safe for fine cutlery, and the cherry wood color keeps things feeling classic and neutral. Constructed in the United States with sustainably sourced cherry wood, this butcher block is a beautiful addition to your kitchen. End grain construction gives this butcher block classic lines, ending in a smooth, even surface. The cherry wood color makes things neutral, while the charm of the butcher block gives things a classic feel. This butcher block is even reversible, ensuring a worry-free future. The John Boo's Maple Classic Reversible Butcher Block is easy to use, clean, and maintain. Wash the top with mild detergent and dry the top with a soft cloth. Apply a small amount of the included John Boo's Mystery Oil. It's that easy. John Boo's block is made with sustainably sourced FSC-certified hardwood. End grain construction has more outstanding durability and resistance to warping. The care and quality are evident. This butcher block is handcrafted in the USA. It's the professional choice for kitchen work surfaces and a safe surface for fine cutlery. John Boo's block is truly heirloom quality, built to last a lifetime and passed from generation to generation.
I dream of freedom. I dream of peace. Peace of mind. I dream of love.
Number 4. John Boo's Block CC Bone 183R Classic Collection Maple Wood and Grain Round Chopping Block 18 inches round x 3 inches. If you're looking for a versatile and durable chopping block that will stand the test of time, then the John Boo's Block CC Bone 183 is the right choice for you. The John Boo's Block CC Bone 183R Classic Collection Maple Wood and Grain Round Chopping Block 18 inches round x 3 inches is a good solid block. It is thick and heavy, well constructed, sturdy. It is a great addition to any kitchen. It is an excellent quality cutting board. This is one of my favorite items from Amazon. This classic collection block is made of solid and grain hardwood that is designed to withstand heavy-duty workload of daily kitchen use. It has a versatile design that works great in the kitchen and can be easily moved from space to space for added convenience and functionality. This end grain, solid wood chopping block is great for use with just about any type of kitchen knife, and you can be sure that it won't dull your blade. It features a textured top that gives you a comfortable grip and enough space to chop ingredients of all sizes. The hardwood construction also makes it easier to clean. Just put it in the dishwasher for a thorough cleaning. It's made of low-maintenance hardwood and is sure to last for many years. It's a must-have cooking tool for any kitchen.
We dream the dream that can never save us from it.
Number 3. John Boo's Block R3 Maple Wood Edge Grain Reversible Cutting Board 24 inches x 18 inches x 2.25 inches. John Boo's Block R3 Reversible Maple Cutting Board is the perfect cutting surface for your kitchen. Each John Boo's Butcher Block is made from sustainably sourced wood and made in the USA. This wood cutting board is reversible, both sides are flat, and you can use any side for cutting. John Boo's Butcher Block is made from a special proprietary blend of American hardwoods that is a blend of maple, ash, beech, cherry, and walnut. They are resistant to water damage and are extremely resilient. They are sealed with a food-safe mineral oil, making them safe for use with fine cutlery. This cutting board is easy to clean, hand washes, and dry. Apply John Boo's Mystery Oil regularly to keep the board in good condition. This is the professional choice for cutting boards, and we stand behind that claim. When you purchase John Boo's Butcher Block, you are choosing superior quality and craftsmanship that is often imitated but never duplicated. This maple cutting board is safe for use with your fine cutlery. Number 2. John Boo's C-Bone 1054 102,418,150 cutting board, 24 inches x 18 inches x 1.5 inches, maple with juice groove. The professional choice in cutting boards. John Boo's cutting boards feature the highest quality craftsmanship available. Each John Boo's cutting board is handcrafted in the USA and built to last a lifetime and beyond. Oils and hand-rubbed finishes used by John Boo's keep your cutting board looking great and also help to reduce the shrinking and cracking of the cutting surface over time. Each cutting board is constructed of sustainably sourced American hardwoods such as maple and cherry grown in the heartland of the USA. John Boo's Block C-Bone 1054 2,418,150 maple wood edge grain reversible cutting board, 24 inches x 18 inches x 1.5 inches, made in the USA. Each John Boo's Butcher Block and cutting board is made one at a time, and one at a time is what sets John Boo's cutting boards apart and makes them the leading cutting boards in the world. Cutting board is made from sustainably sourced maple wood. The R-Series cutting boards by John Boo's are hardy boards that are safe for fine cutlery. The 1.5-inch juice groove allows you to run your knife along the groove when transferring food to catch any juices that may drip off your food. This board is reversible. Both sides can be used as cutting surfaces.
Your worth will never follow you. Relatives won't save you.
Number 1. TeakHaus Edge Grain Carving Board W/Hand Grip Rectangle 24 x 18 x 1.5. This 24 by 18 inch rectangular edge grain chopping block from TeakHaus needs no introduction. The gorgeous piece of home furniture is crafted from reclaimed teak and offers superior slicing and casing performance. Known for its durability and longevity, teak has long been one of the most popular choices for fine quality wooden boards and furniture. Teak is an ideal wood for culinary applications because it's naturally durable and easy to maintain. This chopping board made from premium quality, responsibly sourced teak is sourced from sustainable, managed plantations. This can make a wonderful gift for any friend, family member, or co-worker who shares a passion for cooking and entertaining. TeakHaus carving boards are made from solid Indonesian teak. The edge grain surface is ideal for serving or carving a variety of foods, and it is made specifically to stand up to the rigors of day-to-day use in any commercial or residential kitchen. Each board is crafted from a plank of teak sourced from a managed plantation and has undergone rigorous manufacturing and testing to ensure that it meets all safety standards and exceeds industry performance expectations.